Whoa. Wow. Ah. Oh. 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 Yes. Oh. Fire. Eat. Oh, yes. Hey. Lightning shock. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Invisible and two red bitch. Yeah, whatever. I won't say that. Oh! Here's another one. Boom, boom. And look at that. It's Brett's. I like that. There's more fireworks. Those are bonus. Those are bonus because of this show. And boom! Look at that. Whoa. That's cool. Well, sometimes there's more flame to this. Good. Oh! Lightning shock. Oh, there's more coming up. And it blasts. Boom. Another one. Oh, I felt it so horribly. I felt it. It's like a supernova vote of fireworks. Jesus, this is so supernova. Oh. And woo-hoo. Look at that. Ah. Oh, look at that. And yes. Woo. And there's more. There's not over yet. Yes. Yes, give us more. More. Yes, more. Give me all of that. Oh, yes. Oh. Yes. Give us more. Give us more. Yes. 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 Look at that. Boom. Boom. Oh. Oh. Okay, we're in the public. Yes, see this mass. Man, majestic. This majestic fireworks show is the bonus for Koosh Fireworks 2. Well, that's when I get on the 4th channel, and the first one's the 2nd channel. Sorry, I have to get this phone. Is this over?
It's not over yet, silly.
Let's wait. Wait a minute. What's going on? There's lights! Those flashing lights! Those flashing lights! Wait a minute. Something's wrong. The fireworks are lighting. Okay. Starting. Whoa! I knew it! It doesn't blast, but that's okay. There's more. I knew it. There's more. There's another one coming up. And here he is. Look at this. I'm just yapping, but that's okay. Just for something nice. God, amazing moments. Oh, that's a blast. Blast. Oh, look at that. There's another one right here. Well, with my boys. And, well, I'm just watching fireworks, my boys and girls. Well, it's so dark I can't see. There's the boys I have been watching with. That's Casey, my dad. Jessica, my aunt. Joey's my other aunt. Well, these are the persons who are next to me. And yeah, my cousins, Tony, Eric, and Simon. Yeah, they're enjoying it. Even Brendan and Brayden. Brayden doesn't join the show, but that's okay. And there's Brayden joined it. There is Brayden joined there. Well, he's slightly taller than Simon. But this show is amazing. This may be a bonus. So amazing that I need a bonus for this. Maybe that's why. And whoa. This ends there soon. Soon end this time at 5.5 minutes. Okay, that's cool. We're almost there to the end of the video. And now it ends right there now. Right there, right now. See you later, guys. One last blast. And look at that.